So I'm at work right now. I'm with my co-worker, fellow DMD3, Wesley. Wesley had a long night last night, so apparently today's not the best day to vlog. But you know, just gotta capture the reality.
So, do you want us? I can get her to hold them.
Hold both of
Yeah,
them for me.
hold both of the retractors.
Yeah, and just hold them that way. Yeah.
Alright, to get you to open.
Fix now, come on, like you really mean it. There you go.
Okay, so I'm just on my lunch break now. Eating some lunch. Alright, so I just finished lunch. Wesley's eating lunch.
Hello.
And it's crazy because I'll show you what Wesley eats every lunch.
Why are you exposing me?
So Wesley literally just eats this every Saturday lunch. He puts a whole punnet of blueberries in. And then today he's having these berry crumble clusters with cranberry yogurt. So yeah, I'm going to be heading out to get some Austic training. First time playing, so pretty excited. Yeah. I'm gonna finish off the day just by watching some videos. So we're starting a neurology blog. So just watching a practical video for that because we have a prac tomorrow. So I'm just now cooking lunch for tomorrow. Honestly, don't know what to cook, so just have chicken breasts, green beans, and rice. Yeah, so I made a super quick, easy lunch for tomorrow. Hope it tastes nice enough. Okay, so after a long day of classes, I'm here with Greens. We got a haircut. Granny really likes mushrooms, and I tried to make my Malatang full of protein. Yay! Yeah, apologies, didn't get to film much today just because it was such a hectic start to the week and a hectic start to the day as well. We had to wake up at 6 AM. Had to get to uni by 8 for a practical, and then had like around like 6 lectures after that, and came home, knocked off, and now I'm here, and I was about to like, you know, have a productive night, but like I was gonna go gym and everything, but I'm just so tired and I just can't. I give up. Like, this is it. I can't. Tonight's, that's it. This is my weekly schedule. And what I did was I just wrote all the lectures that I need to watch this week. So there's around 21. There's 21 lectures. There's 21 lectures this week and I'm just dying. So yeah, I'll just finish up watching some lectures and see how I feel tomorrow. Hopefully I feel better. Okay, so long day. So I had a pretty long day, actually not even. Yeah, just watching lectures in the library, and then now I'm just home. And then before I do some work, I'm gonna quickly fit in a mini run because I haven't done it for a while. And I just realized like I made a Q&A video and I was talking about how I like go running once a week, and like I don't know if I ran in the last 7 days. So I felt pretty guilty like just looking back at the video because that video was filmed like quite a while ago. And I was like, oh wait, I'm not really living up to my own words. So I'm gonna go run and see how it works out for me. My pace might be a little wonky, but you know, you gotta start somewhere again. So my sister actually called me out for my vlogs all looking the same. It's like, oh, I'm gonna go on the run, and then after the run I'm like, okay, I just finished my run. But yeah, it is how it is. Like, this is like me trying to spend my day productively. So sorry sister. I'm a bit sweaty, but oh my god, I need to show you what I'm seeing right now. Look how pretty this is. So pretty. Alright guys, so I'm at the gym right now. A month or two ago I tried 1 rep maxing 60 and it was just not good. Poor form. So today I'm gonna try to do better. This is Josh, by the way. I don't know why he's not talking. I think he's just scared that I have too many subscribers. Alright, ready?
Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. Easy.
Alright, so I arrived in Marrickville with Wendy Sore. Actually, it's Wendy Benty. So we decided to try a few places out today because we're gonna go on a cafe hop. Let's go. First stop is
Coffee Acme.
yeah, let's go. It was actually crazy because I was gonna suggest it and Wendy suggested it as well. I was like, whoa.
Same wavelength.
Yeah. We're on that today. This is our first spot. Oh, by the way, this is like market business. Like market. Like, just like I don't really like this. Okay, so alright, so I forgot to film the morning of the day, but now I'm just at Westmead for my first tooth cons class of the year. We're just doing composite fillings of class 5 and class 1 maybe, from my memory. It's been a while since I went to sim clinic, so kind of excited, but also it's pretty long, like around 4 hours, so that's quite intense. Okay, so we're ready to start. We're ready. Actually, I'll probably have to show you my setup. So this is my setup. So we have the hand pieces here, and then this is the teeth that I'm working on today. Pretty cool. And just Kylie's going to be my senior dentist / DA. We're that versatile today. I just gotta get all my stuff ready, to be honest. Alright, and I actually have all my stuff already here, which is good. Just need to get some composite. And yeah, we'll see from there. That's it. Thank you. Hugh's place. Okay, Hugh is my fellow DMD YouTuber. Somewhere there will be, I don't know. I realize I can't plug things in because I don't have enough subscribers.
It will be there.
Yeah, one day. But yeah, we're just ready. We're eating to go to the event. What's the event? The event is yeah, Jack is our DMD 1-2 year rep. So can you explain to us what the event is tonight?
It's pseudo welcome drinks. So we're paying for you to get drunk. Just kidding.
Whoa, what?
Whoa.
Not drunk. There's a bar tab though.
Well, you said dental school sounded really lit, yeah? But yeah, we're just eating pizza. Like and subscribe! So I had a pretty wild night yesterday. It was pretty fun. But now, this morning we had an 8 a.m. like tutorial / class that we didn't really need to go to in person, which was interesting. But yeah, and then now I'm trying to survive on coffee.